In this video, we are going to show you how to remove the windscreen A-pillar trim on your Land Rover Discovery Sport. Now, not sure why you might want to do this. I changed them on the Evoque to black. Even though I had the white headliner, it looked better with the black ones of these. You could be changing your curtain airbag, which runs along the side there. Or you could be trying to route a dash cam, even though, because we don't do the dash cam loom. We've got to test the dash cam loom for the Discovery Sport, haven't we? Yeah. The wiring's slightly different. So that is one thing we will do. But you may be wanting to run a wire up either side from your fuse box, which would be easier on this side, going up here. So anyway, that's why we're going to show you how to do it. Right, so Destiny's doing all the Discovery Sport stuff. So go on then, Destiny. So start at the A side, not the G side, and get it under. There's a little thing you can just pop under there. It should just pop out. There's a little clip. And it's retained on a little sort of devil's tail arrangement. So you can, and inside there is a little metal clip that you've sort of got to find. Now Destiny's probably going to have to get her head in the way. And you can sort of, there's a spring clip. We'll see it when we get it out. And you got to sort of spring that. Rubber trim. Get the rubber trim off, Destiny.
Oh yeah.
Sorry, I'm giving you goose directions. Pull that rubber trim off. Yeah. Go all the way down, Destiny, past the start there. There we go. Because that will give you an edge to get on as soon as you got that spring. And then there you go. That looks good. Oh, you reckon it's got it or not? We'll have a look when we get it out, so we can give you exactly more instructions exactly how you've got to pull it. Destiny just, she's got it. And then you've got to, once then it pulls up that way, the bottom just tucks in behind the sort of the gap between the end of the dash there. So we've got one spring clip halfway up, and then this is the other clip at the top here. So you've actually got to lever this clip down. So when you're putting your screwdriver in here, this is the top of the car. You want to be sort of putting it in towards the top and pushing it down to release that spring clip there. You can see it if I put the camera in the right place. You can see that there. That is all you need. And there you go. You can see that's the end of the curtain airbag. The curtain airbag connector is actually over there, but we need to look at the curtain airbag connector because we've got an airbag fault. We fixed the bonnet airbag and cleared that, but there's some other fault on the curtain airbag. But you can see our curtain airbag has not deployed. You can see it's all there. So I need to look at that. It's probably a dodgy connection. Right, good luck with that.